Okay, traders, Patrick at Trader, Trading123.net. Today we're going to talk about the short of the day using the Trading123 Pivots on Facebook. As you know, Facebook recently had some of their IPO shares come unlocked, and usually when that happens, the stock takes a little dive. Stock's been weak overall ever since the IPO. So let's take a look at how we profited on the Facebook short using the Trading123 Pivots. So here we have the Trading123 Pivots on the NinjaTrader platform. As you see, there are levels here identified. R3 through R5 are breakout areas labeled right there on the chart. Tells you when the price is going to break out. A daily trend line, long above, short below. That is pretty much etched in stone. Once the price breaks above it, you stay long. Below it, you stay short. And then you have the breakdown levels of your S1 through S5. S3 being the area that it loses all support. And it'll trend down to the S4 here. And you got about an 88% chance it'll go down to the S5 level. So one of the strategies that we cover in the manual, if the price action cannot get through the R3 level, you can short it right here at the R3, and that's what I did today before it lost 20. Because I knew Facebook was weak. The other strategy is you short it right here at the daily trend line, 1987. And your first target is the S3, and then S4 and S5. So Facebook was getting a lot of media coverage on CNBC today, and it broke down. It started to sell off. And usually the S4 is an area to take some profits. Breaks below it, you could short more. And your final target is always the S5. So we were looking to get a point profit out of this trade, shorting from the R3 and taking profits at the S5. Now, most traders would have been happy with profits at the S3 or S4, but we're playing the full pattern. So here's a snapshot of the chart. This was taken right at 10:30, and this one here was at 11. As you see, it broke down after consolidated here between 10:30 and 10:50 area and sold off, and we hit our profit goal right at the S5. Like I said, break of the S3, you got an 88% chance you're going to hit the S5, and it did. Now the S5 is a major reversal area. So with all the media coverage on CNBC, they were talking about Facebook sink in. So you're going to get a reversal at the S5 every time. Now another strategy we have is going long above the S5 for a scalp of anywhere from 10 to 20 cents. The first attempt, it may not do it, but you go long the second attempt on a breakout of the S5. And here we have Facebook bouncing off the pivot. See, there's all sellers here in a downtrend, and you got buyers down here at a lows, accumulating the shares. And a strategy we like to use is you take the S5 level minus the S4, so that's 40 cents, and then you divide it by half, and you expect to bounce off the S5 halfway up, so it'd be a 20-cent bounce, and that's exactly where it went, or halfway back to this 1930 area. So you would have made your 20 cents, take your profits, and move on to the next trade. Now these pivots work the same each and every day. Pivot robots and program trading control the market, and the exact same patterns happen on stocks, futures, and crude oil. Let's look at a couple other quick charts. Here's AIG, which I've been playing. Again, same pattern. Couldn't hold the R3 area, and it sinks right down to the daily trend line, and then right to the S3 where it holds, and then it bounces right back up to the daily trend line. That's the way these patterns work, and they repeat each day. And here we have the mighty Amazon screeched up here at the open. Got a long wicked candle telling you the top's in. Couldn't get through the R3 level. Short under 243. Target right down here to the daily trend line. And it nails it right to the T. So that's how you trade the pivots with the Trading123 software. For information, visit our website at trading123.net. We have the pivot indicators for eSignal and NinjaTrader, so click those links to find out more information. Hope you enjoyed the video and good luck with your trading.